Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a team that you have created in Mortal Kombat. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Mortal Kombat game on your device and wait until it is fully loaded. If you have played the game before and you have already completed the tutorial, then you will gain access to this screen from which you can access various game modes as well as settings. Now in order to delete or modify your team, you can simply go ahead and start any battle, and before your battle starts, you will be able to change your team. Now from your team section, you can simply tap on Edit Team and then tap on the Presets option from the Presets menu. From here you can simply tap on the Delete option to delete any of your selected team. You will then be asked whether you are sure that you want to delete your team. Simply tap on the Confirm button and your team will be deleted. If you wish to only edit your team without deleting it, simply tap on Edit Team and then you will be able to edit the members of your team. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete your created team on Mortal Kombat. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.